What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today we're doing a video on a crypto that we have not talked about on the channel for about a month. And it isn't because it's not a good crypto. We just have had so many other things going on that we haven't had a chance to discuss XYO. Now, this happened with another crypto on our channel called Cardano. And when it went from its $2 rally all the way to $3, we were kind of busy on other crypto projects like AMP, like XYO, and like the graph Cardano, not Cardano, Algorand, and everything but Cardano. So, yeah, we want to take a look in at this one right now. We might do a future video on Cardano if there's any Cardano lovers because we neglected it in the bull run in the first part. So maybe we won't neglect it this time because it might go to $4. You never know. But let's take a look at XYO. XYO is sitting at $3.81. No, I'm just kidding. It's at 3 cents and 81 hundredths of a cent. So it's almost 4 cents. And what we want to look at here is where is it going? Where can we see XYO move in the near term future? Well, as you see, we have been bouncing off like a ping pong and going up and down and up and down and up and down and back and forth and back and forth. And we basically had a double top right here that led to a fall. Now we're starting to have a double bottom that led to a recovery. Nice. So, where do we expect this crypto to go from here? Well, let's take a little bit look in the longer term charts. Now, I'm not looking on the trade view, and I do that in a lot of my videos that I do for my live streams. Well, this is an upload, so I'm not doing that today. And we get a look in the line charts. This doesn't mean that I'm making my predictions off of line charts. It just means that I looked at this crypto before, got an idea of where it's going, and if you want to see me do it in my live stream and have a live version of technical analysis, go ahead and join me tonight at 6 p.m. and we will go ahead and talk about XYO. Other than that, we are looking at the top point in the last week at 4 cents and a half, 4.62 cents. And it has done nothing but go down ever since. But the cool part is we are now on an upward trajectory. As you see, we are getting higher lows and higher highs. After this point, we have, after the lower highs, we have started to get right here. Okay. We have started to get, higher highs. And yes, we had a lower high right here. I realize that. It went down, but this almost looks kind of like a double bottom. But we'll see what happens from here. On this, we're waiting for a breakout, either to the up or to the downside. And it looks closer to the upside right now. And it actually looks kind of like a bull flag in this chart. Now, that's why we'll go look tonight on the actual technical chart and see, hey, is this really a bull flag? And when I normally see something like this on the regular chart, it normally does look like a bull flag. The only problem with this is there's not really a pole. And so it's more of a symmetrical triangle at that point. I mean, we have a tiny little pole at the bottom here, but that's why I'll say we'll look at it actually on the trade view so that we can see the real juice. So let's go back and well, I didn't mean that. I mean, let's go back to the month and see where we are. So it was all the way up at 6 cents earlier this month. So all of these prices down at 3 cents is basically the lowest you could have ever got XYO in the last several months. And so let's look what the all-time high was. 7.62 cents. Let's see if that's it. Yep. So it says 690 there, but it actually went to 762 here. Pretty good for XYO and the future of XYO. It means that, yes, it could possibly go to that price again. And look how far it stayed up here before we actually had the dump that sent us tumbling down with all the rest of crypto. Now, it looks like a nice bull flag right here, even on that one. So things might be good for the future of XYO in the coming future, guys. Let's check it out. And I just want to give you guys a little bit of hope. Crypto is not done. This is why I was telling everybody we're not going to end the bull cycle like this. We're not going to end our bull run like this. This is not the end. This is not what it looks like. We never had our blow off top. We never had our giant sell off. We never had any of the stuff that goes along with a normal end of market sentiment and end of market sell off. We would have went all the way down to 20,000, I think, at least. Maybe 15 at the bottom, or 20 might be the bottom. Now, that's for Bitcoin. And we have to look what Bitcoin's doing to know where XYO is going. Well, Bitcoin has actually retreated back to the $50,000 area. But the good part is we basically have 50,500 as support now. This is our support level now. That's the good thing. So we broke resistance at the $49,000 level, and we have support at $45.55. Awesome news. That means that we are probably not going back down. I mean, we could still break our support, but the likely scenario is that we use that as a nice support level to keep moving further up and continue this bull run and come to a nice end, probably mid-January for Bitcoin, or maybe mid-February at the latest. Now, I know I was telling you all in February to get out. I'm not changing that yet. Now I'm saying, oh yeah, Bitcoin can go all the way into January and possibly February. Let's watch. Be careful. When February comes, I'm going to definitely tell you about the risk of February. February has to be told as an all-time low point in the history of Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrency in the February time frame on the cyclical nature of the crypto. But if the cycles have been postponed and pushed out, who knows what that looks like now? So it's trying to confuse everybody, but I'm still saying February is going to be kind of a very careful month for us. And I might just go into a stablecoin in February just in case, depending on where Bitcoin is. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.